Or just tell them we did not do office hour today.
We skipped it, guys.
Yeah, it's just like she did not show up. Okay. I made up this question just right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll see if I can solve this. Guys, if I failed, I'm not going to post this video. It's so embarrassing. Did people finish writing this? Yeah, I was trying to look at the quiz. I want to make a similar one. Yeah. Neat. Okay.
No.
No, it's in problem sets. Problem sets 4.
Oh.
I want to make a close enough one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So I yeah. Okay, I'm not sure if this one will work exactly the same way as the one because I just made up a similar one. But let's go through some of the things that's I'm looking at those conditions. Look through some of the things we can do. Well, I kind of like want to like the last step should be easy because that's adding this one on, right? So let's say the last step should be methanol. Let me just write okay. That's a very challenging in teaching. You made up something right away, and then you don't know what you're doing. Yeah. So, but I think the last one should be this. There's no guarantee this one would work for your problem set 4 because I just made it up. Okay. Why am I making up this? But anyway, that's But I think the last step should be easy, right? I just happens to made up a both hydroxyl group is on tertiary carbon, so it's kind of like how far it is away from our previous one. Guys, I don't think you have learned something from adding a methyl to an acyl. So I'll just make this one a acyl. Are we good? Otherwise, there's no way you can do it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I said I don't know what I'm doing. You haven't learned something, just add a methyl group here. You all learn a reaction on this on 118b. Yeah. Okay, then this probably should work because we are very close. All you're doing is adding a methyl group. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm making exactly the same one as your problem says. I'll just go with the one I made. Okay. Looks like, okay, if you count the carbon, this purple bond is the only thing added, right? Right.
Yeah.
How to add that one?
Yeah.
Can you use Grignard directly?
No. Wait. We need to start from like Mg and Et2O.
Okay, so this is a perfect match, okay, of this one. Who asked for mechanism of Grignard? Okay, RMGX, we're solving your problem now. Okay, RMGX works as this one, right? Okay, what we have here.
OH.
So if you, I know you want to make greener because it looks like you're just one step away from this, right? If you want to react with this one, it will do acid base. It's part of today's class.
Do you add a protecting group?
Oh yeah, ether. Oh wait.
Yeah. Okay. Not sure if that's a problem. I'm the one that I made up here. If you want to make greener out of this, you need to protect this hydroxyl group. That's in our previous class, if you remember. So okay, so this one will be you want to protect it. Okay, let me just use TPU OH. Okay. I want to keep the same with the one I will use. Okay, let me see what I use on my previous notes.
We use TBU.
I use TBU, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that should work.
I'll explain why I use TBU because later, if you are not sure if you will take, there's a class called 131, Chem 131. Not something you will be taking. Oh, okay, never mind.
I just
There will be a specific section called protecting group. And then there will be a lot of common protecting group that you will be learning. So that's why I want to specifically, in case some of you will be taking that class, I want to like transit from here. So I want to keep the same. Okay.
I mean, overall, all protecting groups are like ROs.
Yeah. Well, a lot of them is sulfonate, but sulfonate is not part of R. But treats R works the same. It's just like a better leaving group. So treat this one as forming a good leaving group, so later it can leave. Yeah. Okay, then you can do greener. Okay. Then you can do greener, Mg ET2O. Yeah. Okay.
Should we always add the solvent like that when we're doing it?
You would better do. You will thank yourself when you go to 118B that you actually write the solvent there. Otherwise, it's like, oh, I know the reagent. Where's the solvent?
You write the solvent like below there.
Yeah.
So MG
Yeah.
on top,
So
solvent.
yeah. Usually that's how people write.
Okay.
Yeah. It's sometimes we can tell from if how people write. Yeah, like if you have clear error in error pushing, good synthesis routes stepwisely, or like 1 and 2 label, we say, that's a very neat writing, and yeah, you will thank yourself when you are doing the real experiment. Yeah, on writing notes. But anyway, we're too far away from solving this. And think about all the synthesis. There is a very important thing is repeatable. So if your synthesis, only you can read them and nobody else can read or repeat, or just say, this reaction happened, but it's not reproducible. You cannot publish something like this because other people cannot repeat your stuff. Am I good with just this? I think it's that's the answer, right? Because you only add the one. Oh, hold on, let me see.
Aldehyde. What? Instead of formaldehyde.
Oh no. Let me.
Should be ketone?
No, like an aldehyde, right?
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. So 1, 2, which is 1, 2.
But it's territory, so it should be a ketone.
No, no, no.
Like,
You already okay. You're cut here. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. So you are cutting here, which is this one is minus. Okay, so this is CH3, right? Makes sense because this is the purple. Let me use the same color. Did you see the? Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me see. Something not quite right. Oh. Actually, guys, sorry, I'm wrong, but actually, it's a I was wrong with this. Sorry. This is a wrong route, but it's a good practicing on how to do this. Okay, why this would not work? Why this would not work? Because I already have my carbon number 1. And if this one, the lone pair, that's the mechanism of Grignard. Okay, if this one attack here, I actually introduced the 2 more carbon. Did you see it? Because I have, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So this route would not work. But that's a good practicing up here. What changed from the previous? But did people see why this doesn't work?
Yeah, because there's already a carbon.
Yeah.
Like 2 number 1 carbons.
Yeah. Did people see? So what changed from the beginning? Are we good? Okay, I'm just post a video because I'll erase the board.